This is the 30 pack of the Nature's Garden Probiotic Strawberry Yoggies. Individually packaged right here. This is one package. 80 calories per pack. These are really great. You get the yogurt here with the strawberry. It just tastes really great. It's made with real strawberries. So this is what they look like outside of the packaging. Real little like balls, cubes looking things, but we really like these. Our kids like them. It's just a really great snack to have in our pantry. We like the fact that they're grab and go snacks. So if they're taking these for lunch or whatever, they just go in the pantry, take them out of here. If you're going to keep them in here, it's got the resealable Ziploc at the top right here, but you got 30 of these packs right here. So we basically just been getting these for a while. We're a repeat buyer of them. Taste really great. Basically, we're a fan of yogurt and strawberries, so the Yoggies are just really great. So this is what they look like right here. Have a really great taste to them. Another thing I like about these is they do hold up in the heat. So if you're like outside at like a kid's sport or whatever, this is sitting outside with other lunch snacks, things like that. It's not going to melt or anything. So we have been pleased with the stability of it being able to sit outside. So definitely want to check this out. It's a Nature's Garden Probiotic Strawberry Yoggies. Really impressed with these.